Hello guys, so now I got a message about a particular platform yesterday that was going to be launched today. You understand? So now this particular platform has been launched, and then I just got the link and I went to the website to search through how this platform operates, and then I had a conversation with the admins, those who own this particular platform. And then according to them, this particular platform is going to be a long-term platform. You understand? So I asked myself, is this particular platform going to be the next pack miner? So now those of you who have been following me for a very long time, I made a video about a particular platform known as what, pack miner. Even they went to the extent of even launching their own coins on Binance. You understand? So pack miner spent about more than 1 year to 2 years in Ghana here, and a lot of people made a lot of profit from that particular platform. Those who were following me made thousands of cities from that particular platform before they had a problem, and then their platform disappeared. Okay, so now this particular tutorial, this particular video is not a financial advice. So guys, I am not your financial advisor. So before you dive into this kind of site, make sure that you do your own research, and remember that you have to risk what you can afford. You understand? Risk what you can afford. So now, those of you who are in my WhatsApp group and then on my Telegram group, I posted a link over there this morning that those of you who want to register, and I have seen many of you have been able to register, but the questions keeps coming. How are they going to start? How are they going to deposit? How are they going to do this and that? That is why I am making this video, to explain to you guys how the investment plan is and how to deposit and how to withdraw as well. Okay, so when you create your account, right guys, so when you create your account, you have to bind your Momo wallet to your account. You understand? Because somebody can log in into your account and then bind theirs over there. So anytime you make withdrawal, somebody will be able to receive that particular money into your account. And then one of the advice I want to give it to you guys is that when you are creating your account, make sure your login password should be different from the payment password. Okay, so if you want to withdraw money from the site, there's the password you set for that particular one. Make sure that it is different from your login password. Okay, so I just want to take you through how to start everything, guys. So now guys, this particular channel is where I'll be posting videos nowadays. Okay, so please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I am bringing you guys an amazing content that can help you make a lot of money online. So do your best to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click on the bell and then you click on all. When you do this, anytime I put new video over here, you are going to receive the video. Okay, so do your best to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, so now let me take you through how this platform works and how to end everything. Make sure that you watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video. Peace.
Okay, so right now, if you check in my account, I have 280 Ghana cedis in my account, and I'm gonna withdraw this money right now live. Okay, so I'll come and click on the withdraw over here. Okay, so just keep watching this video to the end and you understand how to set your withdrawal account and how to do everything. Okay, I've explained everything in the video. Just take a look at the video very well to understand everything. Okay, they said you haven't linked your mobile money number yet. Please link your mobile money wallet number first. Okay, so click on the bind mobile over here. If this thing happen like this, just click on the bind mobile and then you select this place, your bank over here, then you choose the network MTN, right? When you finish, then you click on this place, account holder name. Okay, and then you just select that place and then you enter your Momo name on it. Okay, so enter your Momo number over there. Please make sure that the name that you enter, the name is correct. If you do any other mistake and you withdraw, you not receive your money. Okay, if your name is Kojo Mensah, make it Kojo Mensah on your SIM card. If it is Kojo Mensah and you go and make it Mensah Kojo, the money will not come. Okay, then after that you enter your trade password over here. You click on add mobile wallet to your account. That is all. You have been able to bind your Momo wallet to your account. Okay, so anytime you withdraw the money will go to your number. Then after you finish doing that, then you enter withdrawal amount over here, right? So I'm going to withdraw everything. I have 280 Ghana cedis in my account. I'll withdraw that one. I'll enter it over here. Then I'll enter my trade password over here also. Okay, after entering my trade password, then I'll click on this arrow down over here to choose the network. To choose the number. So this is my number that I have bind to my Momo wallet. I'll choose that number over there. Then I'll click on apply withdrawal. But take note of these things first. When it comes to the withdrawal page over here, they said daily marketing from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if the time is not up to 8 a.m., don't withdraw. If the time is after 6 p.m., don't withdraw, okay? Unless you wait for the next day. You understand? Very good. They say withdraw an amount between 60 and 50,000 Ghana cedis. So the minimum withdrawal is 60 Ghana cedis over here, okay? Very good. They said to facilitate financial settlements, you can only request withdrawal 1 time per day. So only once that you can be able to draw per day. And then withdrawal fee or the rate is 6%. So any amount you withdraw over here, they are going to take 6% from your account. So after you finish setting all these things, click on apply withdrawal to withdraw this money to your mobile money wallet, okay? So right now, within some few minutes, I have been able to receive the money within some few minutes. So this is the message I just received from MTN, okay? So if you check over here, I have received 263 Ghana cedis, okay? Yeah, so the money has come, guys. So this platform is paying, you understand? The platform is paying. I just withdrew the money today and it has come within some few minutes, okay? So they took the 6% charge and then they sent me the rest over here. So after you have received the money, that is not all. If you want to get more money, if you want to get a free money, this is how you get the free money from them, okay? So when you receive the message like this, take a screenshot of the message, right? So take a screenshot of it. Then after taking the screenshot, then you come to where they've written blog over here, right? You are gonna see people are making withdrawals every single day from this particular platform. So if you receive the money and you upload over here, they are gonna give you free money, okay? So how do you upload it? So if you check this person, he received free 32 Ghana cedis in his account for free. That is the gift that they give to the person when he uploaded his screenshot over here. This person too got 3 Ghana cedis free gift, and this person too got 21 Ghana cedis free gift. If you check, this person got 78 Ghana cedis free gift, okay? In that order, if you check, people are making free money from this particular platform, guys. So don't forget to always upload your screenshot when you receive the money, okay? So how do you upload it? When you come to the blog over here, then you come and click on display where they're facing publish, okay? Click on it, right? After that, then you click on upload photos over here, then go and choose that particular screenshot, then you upload it over there. Okay, so now after you finish uploading the screenshot, then you click on this place here, enter content, okay? So enter, just type anything over here, okay? So just type anything over here. Like this, okay? You can enter any other thing over here, but this is what I just want to type. When you finish, then you click on the publish over here, right? That is so. Then you publish, then they will review it, and then they will add the gift, or they will add the free money to your account for you, and that money can be withdrawable. That money you can be able to withdraw as far as it reaches the minimum withdrawal. So now, how do you start everything? How do you register? How do you deposit? How is the investment plan is? Okay, how much do you need to start? So now let me take you through how to start everything. So first of all, if you want to create your account, what you have to do is that you enter your phone number here. You can start from 0 something, or you can remove the 0, okay? Then you enter your password. Then you click on send. They will send a verification code here for you automatically. After you finish, you click on register, okay? Right now, I have filled my details over here. So I'll come and click on a send here for the code to fill there for me, okay? So I have clicked on a send. So the code will be sent inside for me automatically, okay? Very good. Now, you see the code has been filled over there. After the code has been filled, click on register. Very good. So the moment you log in into your account, you are going to fill your details, okay? So log in into your account now. The moment you log in into your account, this is the first interface that you are going to see, okay? So the next thing you do is that come and click on this place, send over here. It says setting trade password. You are going to set your trade password. That's the password you use to withdraw your money. So click on the send here for the code to be filled over there for you. Now, after the code has been filled over there, then you come and enter your trade password over here, the password that you want to use to withdraw money. Remember, make sure that the password, your login password, should be different from your withdrawal password, okay? After filling the password, click on update trade password. Now we have been able to change our password, okay? So now it will log us into our account for us. Now this is the account over here. The next thing that you do is that let us go and see the product, how you are going to recharge and how everything is going to be, okay? Now this place here, they have home, they have about, invest, and then they have the blog. The about here, you can click on the about over there to read about this particular company, what they do, and then their purposes and everything. Okay, now after that, let's go to this place here, the invest. Now if you come to the invest over here, they have sustainable product, and then they have the VIP product, and then they have the innovative product. Okay, so if you check the packages over here, they have from 100 cedis up to 100,000 Ghana cedis over here. Okay, so for the sustainable one, the first 100 cedis, daily earnings is 40 Ghana cedis, and then you'll be earning this 40 cedis daily for 39 days. And then the total revenue is going to be what, 1,560 Ghana cedis. So it means at the end of the 39th day, you'll be earning 1,560 Ghana cedis with your 100 cedis. The Cocoa 2 also is 500 cedis, and daily you'll be earning 210 Ghana cedis for 39 days. At the end of the 39th day, you'll be earning 8,190 Ghana cedis. Okay, check through the rest over here. The one that you think you can afford, then you go for that one. They also have the VIP over here. When you click on the VIP, you are going to see that this place 200 cedis, but the VIP, they have limited number of days. Okay, so for example, this one like this, every day if you invest 100 cedis over here, every single day you are going to earn 60 Ghana cedis, and it's going to last for only 3 days. At the end of the 3 days, you'll be earning 180 Ghana cedis. If you check the fund, VIP fund 2, that one too is 300 Ghana cedis. At the end of the 5 days, you are going to earn 600 Ghana cedis with daily earnings of 120 Ghana cedis. The VIP 3 also, if you invest 1,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be earning 420 Ghana cedis every single day for 5 days. Then at the end of the 5th day, you are going to earn 2,100 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is how the VIP packages also are. You understand? Check through the rest of it. Anyone that you think you can afford, you can go in for that. And then this place, so they have innovative over here. If you click on the innovative here, that one to 100 Ghana cedis, you will be earning 150 Ghana cedis daily. It's just for 1 day. So after 24 hours, with your 100 cedis, you'll be earning 150 Ghana cedis. So meaning that you have made 50 Ghana cedis profit on your 100 cedis. Okay, now if you check for the cocoa powder also, that one too is 300 Ghana cedis. Every day you'll be earning 480 Ghana cedis. That one too is just 1 day, that is 24 hours. So if you invest over here, after 24 hours, you are going to earn 480 Ghana cedis. So with your 300 Ghana cedis, you have made 180 Ghana cedis profit on it. 1,000 Ghana cedis also is here. That one too is also 1 day, and then you'll be earning 1,800 Ghana cedis. Okay, so after 24 hours, you'll be able to withdraw 1,800 Ghana cedis. So with your 1,000 Ghana cedis, you have made 800 Ghana cedis profit on it. Okay, so anyone that you think you can afford, just go and invest. So right now, I am going to do a deposit. This is how you do a deposit into your account. Now, this is what I am going to do right now. I'm going to deposit 100 cedis and then invest in this one over here, which I'll be earning 40 Ghana cedis every single day, right? Okay, so now let's go to the home over here. Now click on the star over here. You can follow their Telegram platform. Okay, join their Telegram group to understand how this platform works. Okay, so I said I'm going to, now let me go back and check something over here. Now if you check for this place, okay, I'm going to deposit 200 cedis so that I can invest in this place here, the sustainable and then the VIP also. So now let me click on the home here, then and click on the star. Okay, now if you want to put money over here, click on a recharge, right? So I am going to put 200 Ghana cedis into my account over here. So I'll click on it and choose it. After that, then you would click on this place, recharge now. Click here. After it's finished loading over here, then you click on I know, continue to repay. Now this page is gonna open for you. So click on the arrow down here and click on the operator and choose your network. So I'm going to use MTN to do the deposit. Okay, the number that you are going to use to transfer the money, put that number over here. If the money is on your number, put your number here. If it is on your brother's number, that number that you are going to transfer the money, put that number over here. Then confirm and continue. When you finish, click on confirm, then submit. After you finish doing this and this page opens, click on the copy over here. When you click on the copy, then I'm going to deposit 200 Ghana cedis. Star 170 hash, then you send. Option 1, transfer money. You see, very good. So if the number were to be MTN number, like I'll go to the option 1, but because of it is a Vodafone number, so go to other networks, option 5. After that, the number is Telecel, which is what? Vodafone. That's option 2. So click and choose option 2. After that, paste the number that you copy from the site. Copy their, paste their number there. Paste it again and send. After that, you enter the amount that you want to transfer. So I want to transfer 200 Ghana cedis into their account. And you click on the send. Then they said enter reference ID. You can enter any other thing over there. So I'm going to enter doctor over there. After I finish doing this, they said transfer to this is the name that I will come, Agnes Owusu. So you enter your Momo pin and then you click on send. That is all. Then you click on yes. So when you finish sending the money, you receive an SMS. Go and copy the transaction ID in your SMS and just click on this place over here. You see transaction ID. Here is it. Click on it once. Okay. When you click on it once, then you click on copy. Then you go back to the site. Then you just have to come and paste the transaction ID over here. So click and long press and paste. I will send it. When you finish, then you click on get the results. Okay. Then when you finish doing this, then you click on what? Submit. So after the money has arrived in your account, you just have to come and choose the product. Okay. So with my 200 Ghana cedis, I am going to invest in both the sustainable and then the VIP. Okay. Very good. So what you have to do is come and click on a buy over here. Okay. Then I'll click on buy now over here. So click on it once. Then you click on confirm. Now I have been able to buy the first one, the 100 cedis on. Okay. Now we just go back again and then I'm left with what? Extra 100 cedis because I did a deposit of 200 cedis. So I'm going to use the rest of the 100 cedis and buy the VIP also. I'll be earning in both here and there. Okay. So I'll go and click on, after I click on VIP and this page opens, and I'll click on a buy over here also. Right. Then when I finish, I'll click on the buy now over here and click on confirm. That is all. I have been able to buy this particular package. So every 24 hours, I'm going to earn double income. So I'll be earning 60 cedis from the VIP and I'll be earning 40 cedis from the sustainable also. Okay.